I am Hatan, and I greet you in the love and in the light of our infinite Creator. It is a great blessing to be with you this evening. We will speak with you this evening about your portion as part of the one great original thought. We would speak of the situation within the illusion and the situation when the illusion is dropped. In many of your people's equations, what is lost in the transition from the one original thought to serving others within the illusion is the consciousness that all are one. Where does it flee, this consciousness that we bring from sleep and manifest in our best moments? Where is it buried, this consciousness of the one original thought, so that the lives are lived with the sensation of separateness and the lack of plenty? One great source of the entities of your planets feeling apart from each other is the institutions of trading various types of your money for those things which your body needs to survive. There is that about money which is finite, in the heaviest illusionary sense of that word. And indeed, it does come through into the illusion as each entity pays its bills and ponders how to save, how to spend, and how to conduct one's business. That there is nothing left over. That the riches that one has coming to one are not and plenty, but are a substance which one may work with the budget and the planning indeed. This institution of the spending of money is one of very many ways that lead to separation. And yet, let us look at other ways as well. Yes, it is true that there are those within our city, close to your dwelling place, who are hungry this day, who do not have appropriate clothing for the present climate, who have found themselves unable to enter themselves into the society with enough success to produce money. And my friends, this is something that is likely to become somewhat of a growing experience as times become more confused and the society less stable. One does not have to look far to find ways to share one's money, for we shall tell you that there is a great liberation in the sharing of what your illusion seems to be that which you need. It liberates an entity which is plunged into the illusion from the illusion precisely insofar as the entity is giving great gifts with the desire to serve, the one great self that knows no separation. Yet there are many ways in which we plunge into the illusion, my friends. Are there not? When is a smile stopped upon the face because an entity is plunged too far into an attitude of separation to be able to share joy with another? When is the young in experience shut off from the giver of that experience? But when the giver of that experience is self-invoked and feels that it would be too expensive to spend time in merely speaking. You see, in actuality, my friends, all those about you are cells of your body. living portions of your reality. To open one's heart, whatever the need, when done consciously, is a polarizing action, whether it is by the giving of money, the giving of time, the giving of attention, or the giving of sympathy. You have much to share with those about you. You have many appropriate greetings. You have much room for love, and yet can you do this for yourself? We assure you that unless the will is engaged, your experience of true sharing shall inevitably be blunted. For it is not something that is done mechanically, but from the heart. Therefore, as always, we assure you that the process of service to others begins within, as you groom and season your own personal reality with a thirst and a desire to serve. It helps within your illusion if some process of analysis is added to the thirst for service, for each has prepared a way in which to walk to be of service, and clues are all about you. Yet, without the continuing process of prayerful meditation and of a daily focusing on the search for the one great original thought and the consciousness it provides, your ambition to be a pure part of the body and vehicle for the Creator will be enriched, will be emancipated. How we encourage you to continue in your meditations and prayers. How we encourage you to continue in your meditations and prayers, and then we encourage you to open the eyes and see within each day, each experience, not only the good that can come from that, but the clues towards your own centering in your own greatest depth of being. We realize that we speak to those who already meditate, but if anything, this makes our emphasis upon meditation the stronger, for there is the possibility of constant transformation. Guide your will, my friends, and witness the growing consciousness of the oneness of all entities. For indeed, this consciousness is growing among your peoples, and it will have its harvest of love, light, and planetary transformation. With all the vibrant energy that lies within your soul, my friends, love one another within the illusion and through the illusion by turning your will to the Creator and that great original thought of love. We leave you now in that love and in that light. We reach out to you, cells of our own body, those of our own being. We are known to you as those of Hatan. It has been a blessing to speak through this instrument and to share consciousness with you at this time. May we lead you in our love and laughter and joy, and may we encourage you, and may we encourage your will to walk in the ways of seeking that your moments of joy may become more numerous and finally become connected, that you may dwell in a river of joy, and that you may bless those parts of yourself about you. Adone, my friends, Adone Vasu Baragas.